All right, we're back. Happy 4th of July. We're out at the Boston Common because we're scumbags and we came to the river a little too late. There's no parking. So we hustled our way down here, found some parking. About half a mile away in the Commons, and the people are out with full effect. We're hoping the fireworks aren't over. So let's see if we find, get some trouble, and let's do it up. There's a bunch of people out here, so I'm kind of hoping we'll be able to see the fireworks. But I don't know if you can really see them from here. So we might try to get a little bit closer. Weasel all the way in there. I've been chain smoking the last 2 days, so my voice is all hoarse. I just went to porta potty. That was probably the most disgusting experience of my life. So that was pretty nasty. I never see the shit come over the toilet seat, but I've seen it now. America, baby.
Should we sit up on the hill?
You want to sit up on the hill, babe?
I'm trying to see.
With all those people with COVID? Still out here, guys. I gotta wear a face mask everywhere I go. I just take shots of whiskey. That helped me. Help you too. We definitely winged the fuck out of this. We came way late. Cops harassing me like usual.
Cops are harassing me.
Sorry, we don't want you to lose your overtime, bud. Piece of shit, running up the tax dollars. Let me tell you a crazy story. So hey, we're minding my business, having a barbecue. My wife, my niece, my nephew, go walk the dogs. I got a little puppy. Group of guys from, you know, somewhere in, let's say East Asia, Middle East, Turkey. Dude jumps out, the puppy jumps at the dude. Excited, friendly. The dude runs up a hill, falls down, scrapes his knees. Starts crying. Refuses to talk to us. We asked him if he's all right. You all right, man? You're a little boo-boo. You're a little boo-boo there. He sits in front of my house and lets like this thing bleed all over his legs, so it looks horrific, and then calls the cops. Definitely trying to sue me. Give me money, give me money. Cops laugh at him, firefighters laugh at him. His buddies walk him home with their arm around him like he's got, dog didn't even touch him. Like, if you saw my dog's like this fucking big. Cutest dog in the world, it's like a poodle. Unreal, unfucking real. Made my day. Hopefully these fireworks will make it even better. Oh yeah, Esplanad's closed. They're doing a circus over there with nothing going on. So. Yeah, it's Esplanade, but they closed it down because of the rain. So that's why they kicked everybody out. But when it opens, we're gonna be right there to jump back in it. That's how we do it.
That's where everyone, that's where the TV is, right?
Oh, you see all those drones over there. This is the beginning of an alien invasion right now. It's a horrible joke.
That's a horrible joke. It's not a bad one. I think it's a good joke.
You gotta talk. Are you smiling in the camera?
No. Hello. We're reporting to you. No. Wait, I can't see anything. It's too dark. I am reporting to you live from Boston. Wait. Oh. How do I switch it around? How do I flip it?
What are you talking about? You just turn the fucking camera.
You just turn it, that's it? Like you don't hit like a button to flip it to another view? It's not like a phone.
It's a fish, that's a fish.
It's not like a phone.
You guys see that?
Whoa.
I don't know if this camera's gonna do it justice. And then please let your hands so you study. YouTuber coming through. The Declaration of Independence. Where's that part, babe? Where did you tell me to park? You told me I took a wrong turn? Turn around. Say I can't take a good picture. Look at that. Look at that video. Right there. Okay. The best videos. The best videos. Lucky with this one. They closed the Esplanade, we got lucky. I'm not gonna lie, we got here so late and it started raining, the Esplanade closed, they kicked everybody out. So I'm thinking, we're not gonna be able to see from behind the building. That was probably the luckiest I've ever got. Right there, front and center, in and out, didn't stand there all day waiting. Too easy, too easy.
But it was actually pretty,
They're back there hating.
like having to like.
They're back there player hate. I said, don't hate the player, hate the game. You know what I mean? They told me I should park to the other side.
All my years of seeing it, that was the best. We were right there.
Right there. Boston Police Department, our favorite people. You fell in my lap too. A couple times. Woo! Look at the banana.
It's not an empanada.
Look at that. Papusa?
Corn cheese.
Papusa.